Now at noon, a deadly crash involving a patient that never made it to the hospital. The ambulance driver accused of causing that fatal accident while under the influence, appearing in court today.
Yeah, so Atlanta News First reporter Bridget Spencer has the latest now from the Fulton County Courthouse.
Kevin McCorvey appeared via Zoom for a brief hearing inside of Judge Rachel Krause's courtroom here in Fulton County. He faces several charges related to the 2021 death of Wilton Thomason. For now, the judge says there is a continuance or a postponement while both sides iron out some details. Police say back in November of 2021, Kevin McCorvey was driving 66-year-old Wilton Thomason, a dialysis patient, along West Hamilton Street in Fairburn in an ambulance. Troopers say he veered off onto the shoulder and flipped over into a ditch. Police on scene say Thomason was unrestrained and died from his injuries. The ambulance was non-emergency, operating under the name Prime Care EMS. The police report also says that another person working in the ambulance tried to leave the scene in a rideshare, but they were stopped. The police report also saying McCorvey admitted to smoking marijuana, taking Adderall, and drinking a beer while on the job. The judge grouped McCorvey and two others to this crime, co-defendants Abdullah Osman and Emily Sneed, also affiliated with the company. They are accused of lying to police. Judge Krause says they will try to get the actual trial on the calendar, possibly this fall. In Atlanta, Bridget Spencer, Atlanta News First.